To install Thunder TV on a Firestick, start by navigating to the Settings menu and selecting My Fire TV, then click on About. Quickly press the Select button, typically the middle button on the remote, 7 times until a message appears indicating that you are now a developer. Next, return to My Fire TV and select the developer options. Enable ADP, debugging, and apps from unknown sources. From there, go back to the home screen and search for the Download app. Then install it. Once the Download app is installed, open it and enter the URL for the Thunder TV app key, which can be found on the Thunder TV website or a trusted source. Click Go to initiate the download, and once the app key file is downloaded, select Install. After installation is complete, Thunder TV can be found in the apps list to begin using the app. Open Thunder TV and log in with your credentials.